Beautiful cookie. Well, she'll try to fix it. Sam, now eat or drink your egg.
Well, Sam, and drink. I thought you were getting that for Santa Claus.
He has to taste it.
Make sure it's okay for Santa Claus.
You like it?
I don't think he likes it. Doesn't seem to like it very much.
He likes it.
I'm not sure if he likes it or not. He might like it.
Y'all have to put the reindeer food out too.
Over there. You like it? He likes it.
He likes it. He likes it.
I want the boots.
You might need to jack it back on because I'm
I'm following it.
Warm Santa's eggnog.
We have reindeer.
Slowly.
Back up, Birdie. Where's reindeer food?
It's over there.
Hold the cup for him, Nicole.
Nicole has another bag. In her.
She brought that one out there.
Think Santa's gonna like that eggnog?
In here? Can you pour it?
Sam. Sam.
There's two bags.
Think Santa's gonna like that eggnog? You seem to like it okay.
Where's the turkeys? Nicole, where's the second bag? There has to be 4 turkeys. This is my bag. You're supposed to go do.
Somebody are eating the cookies? Oh, Brittany hasn't put hers on there yet?
No. Then go get a cookie for.
Turn
Give
the
me the bell. Where's the bell?
Or just get him out of there. Get him over there. And let him do the reindeer food too.
Can you smell it for him? Where are you gonna leave it? Well, don't leave it where he'll knock it over when he comes through there. Yeah, on the side there. That's good.
Oh, you shocked me.
My shocking personality.
Daddy, but no, you step on these.
We'll move him before we go to bed.
Mommy said move now.
Okay, we'll move him right now, since Mommy said.
Move out under the. Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa, what?
Whoa! Yeah! Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh,
Yeah.
All she did.
Then bring them over to me and I'll.
I want to hear that.
Completely covered in snow.
It's gonna be a white Christmas.
Daddy, come look at this roof. It's like completely covered in snow.
Can't even see y'all in here.
Oh, that's called fun.
Sure is. Wow. Whew. That's real snow right there. Slide off. Snow in Houston. Hey, what?
It doesn't taste too good. It's like an inch deep on your.
Hey. You alright?
You
Huh?
okay?
It's a little slippery, isn't it?
Did you already put the reindeer food out?
No. Mom, look how. Mom, you should see the blue.
Here. Oh, wait. Are you cold?
Oh my gosh! It's
Nolan, is it snow? Nolan, is that snow? Snow? Huh? Is that snow? Snow! Snow! Hmm? He slid and fell. Unbelievable. So you turn the light on. No. Turn the light on. I don't know how fuzzy this is going to slide.
Can we go now?
Santa Claus didn't come. Y'all go back to sleep. What?
On, right?
Yeah.
Hey, you still gotta do but. Hey, don't fail.
Unfair what?
That's not fair.
Go it. I got a new box.
What Ferris wheel.
Momo! Daddy!
Grab me by.
Daddy!
I got a new bike.
Daddy! Momo!
You got a ball though.
Daddy! Open the pussy. Daddy! 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 Dad! Dad!
Why don't you let Sam do those? These? And Sam, why don't you do this side of the tree? Pass those out.
Open present.
This is to Brittany.
What is this? It doesn't say anything.
Sam, why don't y'all separate them first before you start opening them? No one will start opening presents.
Hey, boy! Dad, this is mine.
I thought Santa was supposed to have coffee ready. Oh, thank you very much.
Are these all Sam's?
You didn't call
Yeah.
last night.
Are these all for Sam? Yeah.
I have to read. Sam, let's Sam do those, Nicole. That side, that side. That's for you, Daddy. Put it over there.
This is for Nolan. Dad! Hey, Daddy!
What is this? Who's that to?
Me. No, this is Nolan.
What's it, rat? Oh, Nolan. Wow, that's from Santa. Open it, Nolan.
Light. Light. You see the light?
Is this Nolan's present?
What?
Stocking, Sam. Why don't y'all put your piles on the couch?
Guess who saw it first?
Will you tell Nolan to help? Sam, will you Santa, will you tell Nolan to help? Sam, go get, wait for me. Sam, will you get Nolan? Sam, he's over here. You want to get them all out? I don't care.
What?
Is it a working one? Which one is it? Mr. Raven or Mr.
That's pretty cool, isn't it? Huh?
Did you already start opening?
I just opened it.
Don't act so excited, Sam. Hey, don't push the pedal yet. Because you're gonna run over Nolan. Nolan, what is that? Huh?
I'm gonna turn the wheel.
Huh? Did Santa Claus bring y'all a car?
Okay, just put them in one pile. Put them in one pile.
Huh? Did Santa Claus bring y'all a car? Huh? Yeah. Nicole, help Nolan in. Open the door, Sam.
Whoa, this the door.
Does it open or you gotta jump in?
No, it's okay, you just pop in.
And watch this.
I don't know if it's right there.
I know, it wouldn't
Outside of Orlando, Lance. Roughnecks with junipers and azaleas.
Oh, it's got a radio too?
Is president of the FMGLA. He's working on making sure that Florida ever sees another hurricane
So
season
seatbelt, you
like
don't put the seatbelt in.
Hey, come on.
You got a car? No, we're not. Ready? Ready. Watch out. Sam, look at me. Say cheese.
Pull the cat. Hey.
Sam, say cheese. Sam.
Hey, push the handle down the other way. And just go a little bit and then let go. Okay.
Woo! Say cheese first. Cheese. Wow. It's a car.
Okay, that's good, Sam. Till we get outside.
It's a car. Is it Nolan's car?
Is that your favorite channel?
Nolan's car.
Ah.
You're gonna have a
Hey.
wreck in my house.
Hey, we'll wait till later till we get outside.
Turn it off.
Yes, turn this. How'd you turn it on? How'd you turn it on?
Wow.
Turn it the other way.
No, cool.
What's the tag say on this?
What?
What's the tag say on this thing?
Brittany got a new bike.
Nolan from Sam?
From who?
From Sam.
Dad.
Pretty look.
Hey, before you open, hey, what do we gotta go look for? See if the reindeer ate their... Huh? Come on. We'll be able to. Come on, real quick. Hey, real quick. Come on.
What?
Real quick. No. No.
The reindeer eat their food? No.
Let's go look. Come here. Oh, it's starting to melt.
I know.
Ooh, look. There was a big pile there. I think they did eat all of it. The snow's starting to melt. I think I saw some tracks. I saw some reindeer. Where you going? Where you going, Sam? Was it too cold out there? Huh? Huh?
Y'all bring me some
Nolan.
This one says tuna cold from Dad and Mom. Look, and this one says tuna cold from Dad and Mom.
What you got there? Huh?
I know.
What you got there?
Somehow I got the names.
Mom.
I knew I was going to do that.
Mommy. Mama.
Good throw.
Oh, y'all both bring a stupid trash
Right.
before
What?
you open this present.
You're welcome. What is it?
I don't know. I didn't open yet.
It's just paper. You thanking me for the paper? I knew you would like paper.
He did get you something.
Nolan, open it up. Open it up. Hey, hey, here.
Mom.
What?
Where'd my stocking go? Oh.
What?
Here goes Nolan's car.
What is this?
Nolan, where's your car?
Candy.
Nolan, where's your car?
What's that?
Is that Nolan's car?
Oh, the cards.
It goes on your body.
Is that Nolan's car? Huh? Is that your car?
No.
Nolan's car.
No.
No, whose is it? Is it Daddy's? Is it Daddy's car?
Car.
It's Nolan's car.
To Sam from Santa.
It's yours. Yours and Sam's. Santa brought it for y'all.
I want to keep all your stuff onto the couch or the corner. That's a speedometer. Right? What is a speedometer? It's really cool. Oh, and you're going to open your present? Oh, you already opened all your presents? Why did you open your presents so quickly?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm in my room on my dresser. Okay, this is from the bunch. Did y'all get the ooey and gooey present from Sam and Nolan yet?
What's the ooey and gooey? I told you she was just messing with us.
A necklace and earrings.
Thank you, Sam and Nolan. Oh,
I just let them presents in there. Open the present.
Whitney and Nicole. Let me see. Oh, I know it.
Nicole.
Open it.
Brittany and Nicole.
Oh.
What is this? Household use.
Oh. Oh, no, that never. He wasn't finished. Oh, this is from us. Bernie, this is from. Hey, no, come back. What is this?
Find your stocking?
Oh. Yeah.
What? What?
I said it.
No, I didn't hear.
I said it's the way.
No, you said yeah first.
Mommy? I can't use these.
Well, I think you're old enough to start shaving now. Huh? So I guess Hannah thinks you're old enough. It doesn't have a little razor in it.
Can it cut me? Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not using that. Maybe Santa won't bring anything next year.
I was gonna say.
It's
Oh, you can't use that. Huh?
I think it's got another piece to it.
Oh,
That,
look, candy.
like a rope thing you pull through it.
How do you candy? Oh.
Sam, whose bag is that right there by your feet?
What?
That bag right by your
Read the tag on it
Whose bag?
and give it to whoever said
It's
belongs to.
Nicole?
mine.
Mine?
Mine.
Oh, I thought you said mine.
Oh. Yay, new pants. What?
Oh, good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, those are mine.
It's fine.
Those are mine.
There's sixes.
Yeah.
There should be another pair. in there.
Wow. He took his chocolate car.
There
This
is
is actually
another
a car.
pair.
Get up.
There's another pair in that bag.
He's dragging his chocolate.
What are you making noise with over there?
Throw that to the side.
On what?
Tamagotchi's over there.
What are these? Tamagotchi. What? Oh, that's it. Tamagotchi.
A car. It's a chocolate car.
Oh.
Ooh, I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take that, Nolan. Nolan. Hey, let me see that chocolate car. I'll take it. Is that mine? Is that mine? Huh? Is that mine?
No.
Oh,
Is it mine?
yeah.
Yeah, that's light.
Yeah.
That's my light. Can you follow the light? Come to the light. Come to the light.
Nolan, come here.
And Sam, did you get...
Open the present.
That's mine.
It goes in that car you were playing with. And
Open present. In this car?
That's mine.
yeah.
Those are mine, Sam.
There. Look.
I'll set them up there.
Daddy can show you that in
Not
just
yet.
I'll set them up there.
Not yet, though.
Here, Sam, this is your bag, too.
Cool.
Keep all your stuff in there. And there's a...
Oh,
I want to see those legs going to that music.
Oh, this way can do it. People are just in the car. Where's this blow up at, though? What? I don't want to take the finger off. Oh, the back. You already opened this one.
Try it.
See?
Okay.
Mom, open it.
Open it. So this is when everybody wants you to open it right now.
That's mine.
No, it's not. That was yours.
Yeah, you got the dump truck.
Sam, yours is over there.
Where?
Let me go.
Where? Where?
You open the yellow one, the dump truck.
No. Not there. The me and Nicole got volleyball. You got a basketball. Sam got a basketball. No one got that big one. Hey, Nolan, look.
Nolan, what do you got there? Nolan. Nolan. Is that a truck? Nolan, where's your truck? Where's your truck? I see your hat. There it is. Cool. Cool. Is that cool? Yeah, it's the flashing light.
Hey,
We're going to have to get y'all driver's license now.
hey, what's that?
No, y'all missed y'all's chance. Oh man, the snow's almost gone.
Hey, close the door.
Don't. Hey, y'all want grilled dove for lunch today?
Yeah.
Good. Go out there and shoot those.
Oh.
Oh, there's still some snow on the truck there.
If I like popping, so like.
So you might have to read it.
It's cold outside, Daddy. Yeah, it is cold.
Maybe that's why there's snow out there, because it's cold. All right, don't run into her. What's going on, Speed Racer? Sam, drive it up towards the porch so we can charge it up. Don't run over anybody.
Yeah,
Hey! Hey! What are you running over? You running over all the berries? Hey, it's okay. You're just running over all the China berries and rocks. I don't think we got a jack. Bye. Bye. Okay, see you later. You gonna run to the store? That's gonna be cool once we get a full tag on it. Yeah, I just gotta take a screw out to make it go 5 mile an hour or something like that.
I know, Daddy has to tighten it. I knew that when we went to when Santa got put. I knew that was
Keep all the China berries out there.
They bowed down and worshipped him. Then he opened their treasures. They gave him gold, incense, and myrrh. But God had warned them in a dream not to go back to Herod, so they returned to their country on a different route. Read this. Sing. Christmas story. Nolan, you still? This is Mary, a girl of Galilee. She lived long years ago, but such a wonderful thing happened to her that we remember and love her still.
Nicole, let him open a present. Nolan.
I'll take that.
He was trying to take my present. He wouldn't let go and I was trying to close it.
We'll find him one. Nolan, open your present. Where's your present? Huh?
Yeah.
I don't know. Where is it? What? Where's your present? Two robots. They went from PO'd to
Judy, Randy.
Oh, you
Wow.
Grandma.
okay, can you take that over? Take that.
What?
The grandma, you gotta get the grandma.
You got everything.
What? What is it?
That's one of those things we never buy for ourselves, but we get them out of it.
You know what? This is terrible to take back when we were hunting in the 50s. We used coat hangers. Coat
Why not do that?
Cloth wrapped around the tail. Yeah.
All right, I
We
just
don't hunt that, something like that.
don't be there yet. You better get in there.
seen them around and we never had had it, so that's great.
What is it?
We would be so romantic.
Wait a minute, wait. That's an outside toy.
Yeah.
What's two different?
Come here.
Howdy.
And the water, yeah, and the buckets on the back. What is that?
What is it?
Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, Dave, I'm trying to
Sam, Tanner.
It's dirty so quick.
Yeah.
That's the people.
Randy.
You and Tanner scoot back so we can video it.
She was admiring some of these.
Huh?
And wonder what they were.
He never did. He had to really. It's just that it either needs to be, I think, back in the hand, back underneath where it slides back.